Hello my people, thank you for coming back to my channel. It's a very good morning and I'm so grateful. Thanks once again for coming back to my channel. I cannot forget to say that again and again. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Like, share and subscribe because I need that. Today I'm going to cook for you something very nice. I know you're gonna love it. And it's not just cooking. I am going to make a sandwich, and also I'm going to show you two ways of making salad. So the sandwich that I'm making is sausage sandwich, sausage with vegetable. Yeah, so I'm going to use my bread. It is that bread that is usually used for making the making the burger sandwich. So today we're going to do the sausage sandwich like I've told you, and then I'll just tell you what we're going to stuff it with. That is the vegetables. That is we have the onions, capsicum, and that is capsicum in three different colors: the red, green, and the yellow one. And also onions, we're going to put much of it. And also I have my salad here, two ways. One of the salads is nut, yogurt, and apples, and the other one is carrot and cabbage. I'll just tell you what I've added in there, because I've also added mayonnaise and other things in there. So keep watching the videos and I'll let you know other things that I haven't mentioned, but you're going to have them in the videos. Mark you that each salad has different ingredients, so don't mix them up. And I'm telling you, these salads are just amazing. Try them in your house and I can assure you, even if you try them with your visitors or just your family, they're gonna love it and you will thank me later. And by thanking me later is by making it again and again and enjoying it to your best. So I have the ingredients there. I've already cut my cabbage, and also I have grated my carrots. You can see that. Yeah, there is my capsicum. There is my herbal salt. So what I'm going to put there is my herbal salt, and then I mix it up. I add my mayonnaise. The mayonnaise that I added is like say 3 spoons. It depends with the amount of salad you're making. And I'm telling you, this one was heavenly. I added a little bit of black pepper, like 1 pinch, and also vinegar. Mix it up and you're good to go. So on the next salad, we have our apples. So you can see the salads are so simple. Apples cut. So on the plate, on the bowl, I had my nuts, and also you can see me adding the yogurt. You can use like a 1/4 cup of yogurt. That is apples and nuts. You can use any nuts. Like me, I used the peanuts. I had cooked them in the house, let them cool, and then I was good to go. So there is my salad. This salad is amazing, and also the other salad is also amazing. And my favorite salad is the what? Yeah, the apple and nut is my favorite salad. My son loves the carrot salad. My hubby also loves both. Yeah, so he's one that loves, just so long as it's vegetable. He's so in love with those. So you can see my vegetables there. Like I said, the 3 types of capsicum. Here is my bread. And also I have started now. I've given Jay to cut them into halves. You can see my sausages are also cooking on the side. And my vegetables, I told you, I've already cut them. The capsicum, the red, the yellow, the green, I've already cut them. And I've added my capsicum, my coriander in there, and waiting to cook. Also the onions I cut together, so I'm going to cook them together. After my onions have browned, that is when I'm going to add all the vegetables together. You can see the bread. So I'm adding that is the mayonnaise that I'm applying. Yeah, I am applying the mayonnaise into both sides. You can see the sausages are already on the side, ready. They're on my on napkin, my kitchen uh, tissue, kitchen serviette. Yes, so you can see what I'm doing is placing them on the pan, the hot pan, because I want them to brown a bit, and I applied just a little bit of butter on that pot, not much, because I wanted that crunchiness, and that is what I really got from that. Mind you, if I put so much of the butter, I'm not going to achieve that crunchiness that comes from putting my bread on the hot pot. Not the hot pot, it is the hot pot. Hey, see the rhyme, guys. See the rhyme. I'm talking about the hot pot. Yani sufuria moto. Talking about colorful, my dear. Okay, now my dark soy sauce is what now slaps different. The dark soy sauce brings out the best in everything. I just add like 2 spoonfuls of the dark soy sauce, and you see the salt. I'm going to add just kidogo sana, like say 3 pinches or something. It's just a pinch. It's like a teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon. Yeah, I don't need much. You remember the sausages are a bit spiced, and also the soy sauce is salty, so you don't need too much of it. And now I've already put my tomatoes on the bread, and then I put some sausages on the bread, and then now I'm putting my ketchup. Look at this. You can arrange your sausages the way you want. You can have them in strips. Mine, I had them this way because that is how I wanted them. So there is no formula. You can just place them as you wish. And then I'm going to add in my vegetables that I've already made. I just let them sit for a few minutes, like 1 2 minutes, and then with all the juices, I'm just going to place on top of each bread that I've already put my sausage, sorry, my tomato. Remember, the tomatoes were raw. I didn't have them cooked or anything because I didn't want them to be soggy. And then I placed my sausages. I put my ketchup. If you have your mustard, it brings out some sweet taste. But I didn't have mine, so that couldn't make me not make my sandwich. So I still went ahead and made my sandwich, and it was just super amazing. The outcome is heavenly. Just make it like I've told you, and I can tell you it was awesome. Yeah. Talking about awesome, the juices that are from the vegetables makes the whole sandwich to be amazing. The sauce that you have put, the ketchup, it makes everything just amazing. Just look at that. Trust me, it is sweet, and when I say it is sweet, I mean every word. Try this. Have I also spoken about colorful? Yes, it is colorful and also presentable. And on the same note, I know you will love to eat a nice meal presented well, and you can imagine the sweetness, the niceness, and everything else that comes with that. My main worry is just peeping at you who hasn't subscribed, and I'm wondering, why wouldn't you subscribe to this channel? It's an amazing channel, isn't it? And we are having amazing food and amazing stuff over here. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and look at the outcome. It is just amazing. It is awesome, and trust me, have also tasted. It is good. I couldn't get enough of this. And guys, I know you will not get enough of that, and you will surprise those people who visit you, because you're gonna have um good salad to eat, and also sandwich for your kids, and everyone in the family can love it. And you know the beauty of all this, you can remove the sausages and have it as a vegetarian diet as well. Vegan, do I say vegan? For those people who don't take meat or anything dairy products, you can eat it very well, and you will love it so much. And guys, thanks for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing, because I'm going to bring more and more stuff on board, and share with your friends, family, and other people. Let us walk together this path and help me reach 1,000 subscribers.